Hello, fellow citizens. It's your boy Alex Xavier, and I haven't done a package in a while. So this is the ZTE Cymbal Z320 on Metro. Yeah, if Mitchy Tech is watching this, you'll definitely love this, and it might be one of your favorite, and you might want this. Man, why is it so damn hard to open it? Yes. Okay, throw that out. Well, I'm gonna pop this crap. Goodbye. Oh, it came in this nice sealed bag. What a surprise. And here it is. The ZTE Cymbal Z320. Alright guys, so go ahead and wipe down the phone. So let me pause the video. Okay everyone, I'm back. Wipe down the phone really good. Yeah, if you ever see a phone with the ZTE, it's the Cymbal. Let's see if it has juice. I don't think it does. Let's go ahead and get it on the charger. So let me go ahead and reach to this cable. Hold on. Give me a sec, guys. Let me pause the video. Alright, I'm back. Maybe it's dead. Or maybe... Oh, there it is. The battery is critically low. Please keep charging for a few minutes before powering on. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and... I might show you the rest of my phones in the meantime. Yeah, this is a humongous amount of devices that I have. And once I'm done re-uploading my old videos on my album on my Motorola, then I'll be able to do those. And then do the rest. These are the rest that I have to charge from here to here. And then these and this I will be charging. So I might have to wait to go ahead and see if it's possible to turn on. Nope, it is not possible, so I'll be waiting. Alright, I'm back. Okay, don't think I meant it like that, but let's go ahead. Alright. MetroPCS. I love that. Now this is one of my favorite phones. Very beautiful. I'll be keeping this phone forever. Whew. Get this. Keypad lighting. That's because it's about to be showing the screen. Yeah, you can hear that ZTE charging sound. Very beautiful. Finally got my hands on this one. Look at this. Let's see if the front display works. Oh no, it doesn't. The front display doesn't work. Let's see, hold on. Nope, it does not. Nope, the front display doesn't work. Would have worked. Maybe it was for parts. I think the reason why it was for parts are not working, probably because the front internal display works, but the external doesn't even work. Let's take a quick picture. Oh, God, the damn port wouldn't be loose. It takes a good shutter sounds pretty good. Filter, there's Montco, Sepia, Negative. Let's try this one. Oh yeah, that's a little a little white. Yeah, it's a bit weird. Mono. Yeah, looks like the world lost all of its color with this white balance. Oh man, look at there's more. Hold on. Filter, none. And back to normal. Yeah, there's many filters you can choose. White balance, auto's pretty good. Brightness is at 0. It's normal. ISO is auto. I have no idea what ISO means. Let me know in the comments what that means. I have no idea what it is. Shutter tone is pretty good. Photo auto review. Store location. I'm not sharing my location on this one. Oh, man, I want to know what the notification. I want to know what that notification is, but I can't really check. Let's see what time it is. 3:54 on this one, and my phone's 4:27. Probably gotta change it. Rate this MetroPCS background from 1 to 10. I'll rate it an 8. It's pretty good, actually. I like the MetroPCS 8. Not bad. I like the shutdown. And yeah, that's a pretty good review. Hold on. I'm gonna turn it on again. I want to see the storage. All right. All right. Recent calls. Let's see if it has any. Your log call is empty. Guess someone resetted this. Let's go ahead and general device storage 4 gigabytes is total space, 4 gigabytes available, 849 megabytes. I guess I'll take 4 gigabytes as storage as this one. All right, here's the model number, Z320. Let's see. Let's go ahead and check the status. It's at 7%. Charging on AC. Very good. Signal strength is 0 because this thing's out of service. IMEI works. Hold on. Don't want to leak the IMEI. Pretty good overall. Personal. Let's play some sound. Let's play some alarms. Change. Come on, bro. You change it. I just want to. Clock alert. Nah. That's so cringe. That's so cringe. This is Neptunium. This is the same as Carbon. Does give me PTSD a bit. Oxygen. Guess this one doesn't have the jungle ringtone. A shame. I wish it did. Shut it off. That's the shutdown. Alright, look at that. Here it is. And that's pretty much it for today. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure to leave a like. I would deeply much appreciate if you would leave a like on my video. Subscribe to this channel to be notified for more phone videos like these and more unboxings. And also, there will be a PlayStation 3 a PlayStation 3 controller coming to my house tomorrow. So I will be testing my PlayStation 3 tomorrow. If that's alright with you guys, I will be testing it tomorrow. And yep. Make sure, let me know in the comments what you think of this video. I'm gladly interested to know what your guys' opinions are on my videos. And this one too I'm recording on. And yeah, that's pretty much. Yeah, and also turn on post notifications so you know when to when your boy knows when to post. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed. Be sure to leave a like, comment, like, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so your boy doesn't know knows when to post. And yeah, peace.